Hi, I am Vikram. I am diabetic of HbA1c level 16, and I approached Idea Clinics at that time. They helped me reduce my uh, diabetes from 16 to 6 by joining D360 program suggested by Dr. Sham Garu. Then I went to Banit Kaurji. She helped me a lot, who is nutritionist, and she helped me reduce my weight and reduce my HbA1c levels by following the D360 program given by Idea Clinics. Thank you, Idea Clinics, uh, for giving me great idea and great program uh, to be healthy and make myself medicine free now. Thank you, Dr. Sham Garu and Dr. Banit Kaurji, for your fantastic program. Thank you, everyone.